Let's discuss about the home automation using Blink app. It will be very confused in if we write the whole code in a single sketch. That's why we divided into parts. They are LDR. For LDR is like garden lights. Main. In this sketch, we have defined the Blink virtual pins. Serial tank CPP. CPP means it is a C++ file. .h means it is a C++ header file. In C header files we define the inputs and outputs and the functions we used in it. They are init LDR, brightness control. Init LDR means initializing the LDR. Brightness control means controlling the brightness of LED. Serial tank.h means it is a serial tank header file that we created. Volume is for reading the volume. Switch on the inlet, off the inlet, enable outlet, disable outlet. Temperature system we have three functions. They are read temperature, cold control, heater control. In a temperature system means we initialize the temperature systems. Heater pin is connected to 5 in the Arduino. Cooler is connected to 4th pin in the Arduino. First we have defined this for connecting to the mobile. We have included the header files that we use for this project. Char authentication token. It is Boolean means either 0 or 1. We have 4 switches, that is heater, cooler, inlet, outlet, tank volume to initialize the LCD. Blink right means we use this function for doing the work that if we change the virtual pin in the Arduino app, we use Blink. To communicate from app to Arduino, we use Blink right. From Arduino to app, we use Blink dot virtual right. You can see that here we have read the temperature using read temperature function and displaying on the temperature gauge. Handle temp is used for turning off the heater when the temperature is more than 35 degrees Celsius automatically and sending notification to the Blink app. Similarly, we are handling the tank. If the volume is less than 2000 liters, turn on the inlet valve. If the volume of the tank is equal to 3000 liters, that is tank is full, inlet valve is turned off and send notification to the app. We used this for initializing the CLCD and displaying automation for 1000 here 1000 means 1 second, that is they are in milliseconds. Clear is for clearing the numbers displaying on the display. Set cursor, column, and this is row. Set cursor, blink dot begin, this is for beginning the mobile app. Time interval, this is for initializing the garden lights, this is for initializing temperature system, this is for serial time, this is for serial communication. String time for that person. Brightness control, for controlling the brightness of the garden lights. Temp string read temperature. You can hear 2 means up to 2 decimal places. Display on the CLC. Tank volume, set cursor. Timer dot run, this is for sending notification to the send values this many times. That's why we have used timer. That's why we have used this function. Blink dot run for continuous usage of the blink app. Handle temp is for turning up the heater if the temperature is more than that 5 degrees Celsius. Tank is for that volume of the tank is less than 2000 liters and turned off the inlet valve automatically. Volume of the water is equal to 3000 liters and turn off. Sorry, if the volume is less than 2000, turning on the inlet valve. After we export compiled binary. Go open Pixel now and go to load hex. And go to folder where you have stored the sketch, and there is a folder called builder. Click on it. You can use either of these hex files, either this or this. You can use any of them for connecting to the serial tank. Click here and select the one of the communication pair. You can see I am wearing, this is the resistance that changes with the brightness of the sunlight. That is, we are changing, this means we are changing the brightness of the sunlight. You can see that if I change the resistance, the brightness of the LED is also changing. You can see if I am turning on the heater turned on, and the you can see here the temperature in the temperature system and the temperature displaying on CLC. You can see here the temperature is more than 35 degrees Celsius and the heater is automatically turned off. I am turning on the outlet valve. You can see here outlet valve is turned on and water is going out through the outlet valve. You can see the volume here and it is displaying here. The inlet valve is automatically turned on after the volume reaches below 2000 liters automatically. The volume is not changing because inflow and outflow rate is same and both are turned on. I am turning off the outlet valve. The water is filling after it reaches the 3000 liters. You can see that the inlet valve is automatically turned off. We can change that from 3000 liters to 2900. I have changed from the handle water volume from 3000 to 2900. You can see that the inlet valve is automatically turned off after it reaches the 3000 liters. This is project demo. Thank you for attending.